Hello everyone. I, Harpal Singh, senior lecturer at Sopore, will give a lecture on digestive system of human beings for class 10th. Digestive system. Digestion. It's a process of reducing food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed into the body. The food, as we know, it is made up of complex macromolecules like fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, which have to be reduced into smaller molecules so that it can be absorbed by our body. Human digestive system consists of two type of organs. These are one group is called as alimentary canal organs, and others are called as accessories organs. Alimentary canal organs are the organs through which the food passes directly. It starts with mouth, then esophagus, which is called as food pipe, then stomach, small intestines, large intestine, and finally through rectum the food is thrown out of the body. Then accessory organs, these are the organs through which the food directly doesn't pass, but they produce some enzymes which help in digestion of food. So first is mouth. When we take food into the mouth, our mouth, it is crushed, cut, and teared by teeth and converted into some form of paste. Salivary glands, which are present below the tongue, this secretes salivary amylase. This saliva, which contains salivary amylase, which reduces carbohydrates into sugars. So digestion of carbohydrates starts from the food itself, from the mouth itself. Then tongue. Tongue helps in chewing, moistening, rolling, and swallowing of the food. Then there is a small organ called as epiglottis. Epiglottis helps prevents food from entering the windpipe. It is present on the bottom side of our mouth. Then from mouth, the food passes into the stomach through food pipe, also called as esophagus. Stomach is a J-shaped organ which has folds in it called as rugae, which helps it to expand its volume. So when we eat more food, it expands. Then stomach mixes food from mouth with the which has been received from the mouth through esophagus with the digestive juices, which are itself secreted by stomach. There are three types of enzymes which are secreted. First is mucus. Mucus is attached to the lining of the stomach and helps it from being save it from corroding or self digestion. Hydrochloric acid is released, which provides acidic medium and dissolve bit of the small bits होते हैं food को उसको dissolve करता है. Then digestive juices are secreted by stomach. Main digestive enzyme which is secreted by this our stomach is pepsin. Pepsin breaks proteins into amino acid. Gastric lipase, which helps in digestion of fats. Then from here the food is converted into a liquidy medium known as chyme. From stomach the food then enters our small intestine. Small intestines are the largest part of the alimentary canal. They are about 6.5 meter long in an adult male. Complete digestion of all the micromolecules like protein, carbohydrates, and fats is done in small intestines. And after digestion, the absorption of the food also takes place in our small intestines. So it has three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Small intestine secretes enzyme called as trypsin. Trypsin helps in digestion of protein and break it down into the amino acid. Then lipase is secreted which digests protein, which digests fat. It converts fat into fatty acids. And pancreatic amylase, it digests sugars and carbohydrates and convert them into glucose, which can be absorbed by the body. Absorption of, as I said, component molecules take place in intestines. Then It absorbs nutrients, all the nutrients. Then 80% of water, electrolytes, and vitamins and minerals are also absorbed in this part of body. Then the food from after absorption moves to the large intestine. Large intestine consists of three parts: cesium, colon, and rectum. Cesium is the first part of large intestine. Its function is to take food from ileum and pass it to colon. Colon has four parts. One is ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Principal absorption and reabsorption of water takes place in this part of body. Then salts are also absorbed in large intestines when needed. Vitamin K is also produced in large intestine. Rectum, the leftover waste is collected and stored in rectum, and when sufficient mass of this waste is collected, it is emptied from our body by anus. Then accessory organs, as I said, they produce some enzyme which helps in our digestion. Liver. Liver is the largest organ in our body. It is around 1.5 kg in mass. It produces bile. Bile is a greenish yellow pigment. Its color is due to its component called as bile salt. It helps in emulsifying the food. Then breakdown of old RBCs also take place in liver. Gallbladder. Liver produces this bile, and it is stored in sac called as gallbladder, and the bile is secreted into small intestine when needed by this gallbladder. Then pancreas secretes digestive enzyme into small intestine. Digestion, it helps in complete digestion of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. It also secretes bicarbonate ions, which helps in neutralizing the HCl. So students, we have learned about how the food which is taken into our body and how it passes through the alimentary canal, leading to its complete digestion and absorption. This is the wholesome digestive system of human body. Thank you.